Welcome everyone to Thursday, April 23rd. Hope you had a wonderful day yesterday and let's jump right into it. If you guys go into week at a glance, remember the bottom page now or the second page is going to be where you're going to find today. In here, big things from yesterday. We had almost a third of our class not complete all of the math work. So before you do anything for Thursday today, make sure that you get your missing work in, whether that's your Seesaw tweet from a couple days ago, or maybe it's your math, or maybe it's even submitting your stuff in for the comprehension questions. Please get your missing stuff in so we don't have to track you down. When you look into some of the stuff for assignments for today, should be maybe some of you guys getting into your last chapter of your Lit Circle books. Go ahead and finish up those questions and be sure to submit those into Schoology. Sign the Beaver, you're going to meet for the last time today. Go ahead and click right into there to find that as well. For your science social, this will be your last time for Librius Kids for a little while, doing a tweet and doing something with the episode. So make sure it's a really good tweet. We've had some really good ones. Really like seeing them. Hopefully, you guys can go into Seesaw and look at each other's as well. Really like seeing some of those. So good job on that. Get episode 9 done today. Get that into Seesaw. And if you didn't see from before, Mr. Moeller is meeting with Miss Mickelson's class at 9 o'clock. If you do have any other conflicts on that, just make sure you reach out to somebody so we know if you're going to be missing. Because all of those meetings that get posted, whether it's small groups or lit groups or everything, those are all mandatory. So you need to be meeting with us on those. So that is it for today. If you would like to look ahead and try to get some stuff done for tomorrow, highly suggest you look into it. Math is going to get a little bit harder. There are two skills on IXL EE. It's like 15.5 and 16.5. They don't really have numbers to them, so they're right in between 15, 16 and then 16, 17. They look like this. I have the star biome, but they'll just say new biome. You'll click into each one of those, and like I said, they get significantly more difficult. You can click to learn with examples. We can go on meets at any time today. Just be sure that you reach out if you have any questions at all. So maybe start into that so that you can get some other stuff done and maybe have a little bit easier of a Friday after you finish some of your AR testing and some of your chapters up on that Friday as well. So good luck for today. Hopefully everything goes well and reach out to Miss Mickelson and myself.